down into this area here, into here, so it'll go in there like so, and then the actual electronics part will go, we're going to get some double-sided tape, because there's plenty of room in here, in this space here, when you put this back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some double-sided tape, and we're going to connect that onto there like so. And the same with the other unit, we'll put it under there as well. Okay, so that's basically the setup of that, and we'll just put it back together and test it. Okay, so we've got this set up to work off the aileron, off the potentiometer for the aileron. Okay, now what we want to do is just check to see if it's working. So we turn the transmitter on and wait a few seconds, and you should hear an ascending brrrr, and that one beep at the end is a 5-minute delay. So if you don't move any of the cyclic sticks, it will automatically, the alarm will go off in 5 minutes. We'll test that in a minute, but I'll show you how to change the mode if you want to set it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You turn it off, you pull your aileron to left or right as a full position, turn it on, and you should hear the go descending musical tone. Now, depending on where I leave this position on the aileron, see it's beeping once. Now if I leave it in the centre, it goes twice, that's 10 minutes, and to the right, that's 15 minutes. So what you do is you set it up for, if you want to set it for 10 minutes, you leave it at the 2 beep position, and you turn it off. And then wait a couple of seconds, turn it on again, let it initialise, and you should hear 2 beeps. Okay, that's 10-minute delay before it will alarm and buzz and carry on. Okay, so to change it to 5 minutes, turn it off, hold your stick into max or minimum position, one of the two, turn it on, let it initialise, and it should have a descending tone. Okay, and that's set at one beep. Hold it at 1 beep, turn it off, let go of the stick, turn it on, let it initialise. And that's it. You got 5-minute delay. So what we'll do is we'll set up a timer, and we'll count the delay and see what happens in 5 minutes. The timer works. I've got it set for 5 minutes down here, and I'm going to turn it on, wait for it to initialise. Okay, that's 5-minute timer. Hit start. And in 5 minutes we'll see what happens. "30 seconds to go." Okay, and you can hear the alarm going off in here. As soon as you move the sticks, it resets it back to 0 again. So yeah, it's quite a cool little device, I think, and it's definitely loud enough for you to hear it. So excellent. Well, thanks for tuning in on that, and thanks to gtronics for coming up with the whole concept, and I think it's a great idea. So if you want to upgrade a DX6 or a DX7, I've got this is a DX7SE in this case, but it works for DX6, DX7, works with Futaba. There's a whole bunch of lists of different JR controllers in here that it will work for. And just, yeah, go for it. I think it's a great addition. Basically both of these upgrades, the inactive timer alarm, and the second one, which I've got, the auto timer and vibration upgrade, it was about $40 or $44, including freight, I think. So yeah, well thanks for tuning in guys, and I appreciate your time, and any feedback you've got, or definitely like to hear it.